Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Unfortunately, today I have lost my voice, but we're still gonna pull this together like we do it always, right? Okay, so let me say a shout out to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for all the support. I really do appreciate you. So today's recipe is so powerful and very effective. You should take this one seriously. I just measured about 3 tablespoons of olive oil into a bowl. You can use any oil of your choice, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, any oil of your choice. This is coffee. Coffee is a stimulant. If you use coffee in your hair care routine, it is going to increase blood flow to your scalp, which in return help you grow your hair. Also, coffee can stop hair shedding, hair thinning, and hair loss. So I also added about a tablespoon of coffee to my olive oil and give it a good stir. So at this point, I'm going to use the double boiler method to infuse this oil. And here you all, you know how we do it here. But if you are new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so I left this sitting in the hot water for about 5 minutes. After that, I wait for it to cool down and I use a paper towel to strain it. You can use anything with tiny holes, whether it's cheesecloth, paper towel, or anything that comes in handy. Just make sure whatever you use has tiny holes to trap all the coffee. Once you get your coffee oil, I'm going to show you what to do next. This is Vaseline, or call it petroleum jelly. Vaseline has been used for many years. You can use this on your skin. I love to use it on my lips and also on my foot. But when it comes to caring for your hair, when you add Vaseline to your hair care routine, it helps keep your hair moisturized for a very long time. That is why I love to use it in my routine. So I measured about a tablespoon of Vaseline. Then this is virgin hair fertilizer. This is also a scalp treatment. Let me tell you a secret here, guys. In order for you to grow your hair, you need healthy scalp. You need to be treating your scalp. This recipe is a very powerful recipe that will help you treat your scalp, prevent dandruff, itchiness, and other scalp issues that might hinder your hair from growing. This is Indian hemp. This is also a hair and a scalp treatment. So putting all these ingredients together with similar properties is going to make all the difference. I also measured about half a tablespoon of my virgin hair fertilizer as well as my Indian hemp grease. So guys, this is just to help those who love to use measurements. I know I'm used to doing this so over and over again. So sometimes I don't even need a measurement, but I'm just giving you a hint so you can know how much to be adding. This is the coffee oil we prepared earlier on. I added about 2 tablespoons to this recipe. Then after that, I'm going to use the double boiler method to infuse everything together. You want to make sure all the ingredients you are putting together are mixed in very well. So you're just going to take your sweet time for everything to melt together. What I did was I turned off the stove, so I'm just using the hot water to melt and infuse all the ingredients together. Once you have it like this, there are a few things you need to do to even maximize the benefit of this recipe. This recipe, guys, if you really want to grow your hair, don't sleep on this. Make sure you are making some for yourself because this is a scalp treatment. You all know new hair grows from the scalp. So if you have issues like bacteria, dandruff, and other things going on that scalp, it makes it hard for the new hair to grow in. This recipe right there will be treating the scalp as well as your hair strands. It will prevent hair breakages, hair shedding, and will help you grow thicker and fuller hair. Also, I'm going to add 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is also great for preventing hair loss or hair breakages. So I love to add them to my DIY recipes. It comes in different forms. Some are already made in a bottle, so you don't even have to go through this. But if you can find that and you can find the capsule, they work equally. You don't need much, just a few drops depending on the quantity you are trying to make. I also love to add essential oils to my recipes. Aside the fact that it gives it very nice fragrances, it also adds its own benefit to any DIY recipe. So I have this essential oil package. It has different essential oils in them. Today I decided to use peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential oil will also treat your scalp and also prevent hair breakages. Actually, I love the smell of peppermint oil in my DIYs. So once I've added it like so, I'm going to give it a good stir. You can leave it on the counter. It is going to form back to the solid form. Or you can put it in the fridge for just a few minutes. It doesn't take much to become hard. But this is what we are having now. Use this as your hair moisturizer. Apply this on your scalp as well as on your hair strands. You can use this every day or whenever your hair feels dry. It will keep your hair moisturized for a very long time, and it is also going to treat your hair strands from breakages. If you are consistent with this, you will come back and thank me later. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I hope you have also shared it with at least one person who would benefit from this. If you love contents like these, or you're looking for ways to grow your hair or to care for your hair, we use all natural ingredients on this channel. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.